Hello and welcome to the channel everyone, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. On the Walk of Flame today, I'm making a smoky barbecue sauce. That's so easy, anyone can make it. It's quick, so don't look away else you might miss it. The ingredients are tomato ketchup, Dijon mustard, maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke and smoked paprika. To a bowl, I'm adding 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. That's the fourth, and in goes spoonful number 5. Followed by 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, plus 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And 1 teaspoon of one of my favourite ingredients, liquid smoke. And finally 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika to boost that smoky flavour. With a balloon whisk, I'm giving everything a thorough stir to ensure it's all combined. And that is it. Made in just 1 minute and 27 seconds. This sauce is bursting with that smoky, tangy barbecue flavour. It goes well with burgers, chicken, ribs, steak, or whatever tickles your taste buds. As soon as the weather improves, I'll be cooking some sensational food on my Weber Q. Don't miss it. Sub the channel, click the button, activate and ding the bell, and if you like the sauce, give us a thumbs up and tell me what you think about it in the comments section below. So until the next show, it's goodbye from me, the dude of the food, and thanks for watching.